Let's unbox and test this Gillette ProGlide shaving kit. We'll cover the main features as well as do a clean shave in today's 2-minute review. The package I have comes with a handle and 10 razor blades, but you can get it with different kits. Learn more with the links in the description below. This version of the Gillette ProGlide system has 3 defining features. Firstly, it's a shaving head with 5 individual blades. Secondly, the ProGlide has more lubrication than the Fusion 5 blades. And thirdly, this head has the flexi-ball system. This allows the head to pivot from side to side. You can see that the tray in the box was actually designed to hold 12 blades. Each of these cartridges has space for 4 blades, and there is enough room for 3 whole cartridges in the box. One thing I felt was missing from the box was this kind of brace that came with my previous Gillette ProGlide razor. This is a simple plastic brace that will protect the blades, and it's just a natural place to store your razor, especially when you're traveling. I do wish that this would have been included in this package. Well, I need a quick shave and a shower too. So let's consider this the before picture, and then we'll compare what I look like after the shave. And we are back. This is the after shot. What do you think? Hit the like button if you're getting value. That was certainly a very comfortable and smooth shave. As I was shaving, I was able to see the head tilt left and right here. Although I'm not exactly sure what that is supposed to accomplish, it's already the case that the blade pivots up and down like so as well. Regardless, this is a great razor. I've actually been using Gillette razors since I was a kid. This ProGlide system is just a very nice evolution of the product. Learn more with the link in the description below the video. Another product I've been loving recently is my glass water bottle from Lifefactory. This is actually already the 3rd bottle from them. Click or tap the screen right here to watch my full video about why the Lifefactory water bottle is so much better than the alternative from Purify You. Thank you very much for watching 2-minute reviews, and I will see you in the next video.